Just got these tires for the bike. Got some solid whites. Seems like everywhere they're out of stock. One of my shops locally had a pair left. They're a little pricey, but I got them. They're $20 each plus tax. But I got them. I got the fork threaded. I already shrink the head tube, and I'm probably gonna use different bars. These are just mock-up. Let me know what you guys think. This is the 50-mile-an-hour bike build. As you can see, I already have some cases taken apart, but I'm probably just gonna use this one, and we'll see what it does.